Toronto, York, and Durham homeowners, now that you've decided to put your house on the market and the overwhelm has been settling in, and you're asking yourself, where do I start? Here are a few guidelines to help you make your home sold faster and for more money. Hi, my name is Lei Villar-Cisneros, founder of Homes by Lei and broker with Right at Home Realty. And I've helped sellers from Toronto, York, and Durham sell their homes for over 8 years, and I understand the overwhelm. I have found out that by having a plan, you can better prepare your home for those house hunters. The first thing you should do is to declutter and deep clean your home. So this can be a long process, so the earlier you start, the better. So take a good look at each room and pack everything and anything that you haven't used for a few years and things that you won't be using for the next few months. And this includes personal items like photos. You will be moving anyways, so why don't you have a head start now by packing everything that you won't need. So once you have done your decluttering, it is time for you to start your deep cleaning. The next thing that you should do is to make sure that your house is spick and span clean. As you know, kitchen, bathroom, and your flooring sell the house. So make sure that you pay attention to the hardwares of your kitchen cabinetry and your doorknobs. So make sure that you polish them and also your faucets. As you know, this is the jewel of your house. Number 2, you want to make sure that you finish any small projects that you started in the house but never get the time to complete it. Make sure that your structural and your mechanical items in the house has been taken care of and is in working condition. This includes your air conditioning, your HVAC, and water heater. Number 3, if your home hasn't had a fresh coat of paint in a while, so this is the perfect time to do so. I know we have some preference when it comes to colors, but when you're selling, you want to make sure that it is in neutral palette because you wanted to cater to the majority of buyers out there. Now, these are some great tips for the inside of your house, but now I want you to look at making a great first impression on the outside of your house, and that brings us to number 4, curb appeal. To learn more about this and for more practical tips I want you to think about when you're selling your home, please make sure that you watch our next series of videos. These tips will help you to sell your home faster and for more money. For more information, please feel free to call us at Homes by Lei anytime you need anything. We want to help you and your neighbors, the Toronto and Greater Toronto Area real estate market. We are expert in what we do. And remember, when it comes to buying or selling real estate, we at Homes by Lei will make your dreams come home. Be sure to watch our next video series for more practical tips about selling your home.